Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Winding Racing. Well, today I'm going to get right into my work. Now, I want to get some of these panels made, and I cut these cardboard templates out yesterday, but I have to do a little fine tuning because the aluminum is actually going to drop down between the tubings. So you can see how they're hanging over a little bit here and there. I went ahead and I drew these lines, and I'm going to recut this cardboard so the cardboard is perfect, because I don't want to make mistakes on the aluminum. So this is going to be one piece here. This is going to be the first one I do, and I'm going to go ahead and trim that cardboard, cut the aluminum, make the brakes, and see if I can make this thing fit. So I'm going to jump right into my work, guys, and I'll bring you back when I'm a little bit further along, probably when I'm doing some cutting here. I'm going to try to get 2 panels. I got a limited amount of aluminum here. I'm going to go as far as I can today. If I can get 2 of those bigger panels out of this, that'll be a good thing. So let's see what I can do. I'm going to get to work. Alright, guys, well, I got the first panel cut, and so now I got to do the brakes. Okay, so the top one goes up, the bottom one goes down. Let's see if we can do this right. Always a little nerve-wracking because any mistake's gonna mess the whole thing up. So let's do this. See if that's enough. A little bit more. Now, like I said, I want these panels to be able to drop down between the tubing. Let's hear that corner there. So I'm gonna have to probably do a little bit of grinding, but I say that bends pretty good. Let's get this next one done, and we'll see how that fits there. It's going to be a little back and forth until we make this perfect, but we'll get it there. Yeah. I have to mark on the back side there. Well, not really, because we got that corner there and this one there, but let's mark it anyways. That there, and that there. in just a bit more. All right, I think that's going to be real close there. Yeah, let's check this out, see how it looks. And see, I'm gonna have to do a little fudging here and there, a little bit of grinding to get that to sink down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld the tabs up underneath here. This plate will drop down between the tubings there. But that is looking sweet. This one here, it's like, this is a little bit tighter. This here I can flatten out a little bit. So a little bit of handwork, but yeah, this is going to be one kick butt looking little car. All right, guys, I'm going to get back to work. We'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, I got a couple more of these done. This is looking so cool. Check it out. Got the corners here. Got these all done. Got this corner, this upper corner here. So I'm gonna do these little guys here. Now this centerpiece, that's gonna take a big piece of aluminum, and I don't have that here, so I'm not gonna worry about that today. But I'll get these two made up here, and then I'll go ahead and weld the tabs and get these mounted. But I tell you what, I am liking the way this is looking. Very cool. I was thinking little winch right here in the middle. And then I want to put round can lights, like KC lights or something right there. Yeah. This is going to look so cool. All right, guys, back to work. What do you guys think of that? I think it looks cool. Now, I didn't get as far today with the mounting of stuff. I didn't mount these panels yet. Still got to weld on the tabs, shoot some screws. Because I spent some time, I thought about it, and it's like, well, we do need fenders out here. So there's a little bit more cutting and bending and fabricating there. So that took a little bit of a time to get that all squared away, but yeah, I'm liking the looks of that. Tomorrow I'll get done with all the mounting, and those aluminum panels will be secure, and I still got that center one to get done. I got to get down to the metal store. I probably won't do that till next week, because it takes time to drive across town and get down to the metal place. But I do have everything I need to get it mounted, so I'm going to mount up all those panels, and maybe this weekend, I don't know. like to dig into those brakes, those back brakes. See if I can come up with some brake shoes, because that's what's really keeping me from driving this thing around is the brake shoes in the back. There's a couple of stores in town that just might have the shoes, so I'll look into that. But in the meantime, yeah, I think we got a good looking golf cart here. I like it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.